Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Friday, February 17th, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. I got a comment on my last YouTube video, my weekly payment proof video that I did yesterday, and it said, "Hey buddy, how many people did you refer to this business opportunity and what traffic sources are you using? Do tell." So I thought I would just make a quick video to show you my back office because I like being transparent about this. I'm doing these videos not to, brag or think I'm this great person because I'm making money with LiveGood, but I'm doing this to show you that anybody can do this. Okay, if you put in a little work, you will get results with this company. Okay, so that's why I do these videos. That's why I show my back office. That's why I show my weekly payments and everything that I'm doing with LiveGood, because I want to be transparent. I want people to know that you don't have to be a big time marketer to have success with this company. Okay, in fact, most people that are having success with this company have never even made any money with online marketing. Okay, so it's really cool to see this all happening. But I'm just going to show you down here. I'll click on my earnings and then I'll click view rank. All right, and you can see right here that I personally enrolled 19 people into this company so far. All right, now while there's people on our leaderboard that have recruited 100, 200, 300, there's one guy who's even recruited over 400 people already. I have personally enrolled 19 people. Okay, and I'm pleased with that. All right, these are good numbers for me. All right, so I've enrolled 19 people. I have a team of 438 people so far. So each month I'm going to get paid on every single one of these people, and this just continues to go up every day. All right, and I have 2 out of the 3 legs I need for gold. So at some point here, I thought it would be, within the last couple of weeks I would have hit gold, but I still have a little bit of work to do, and I'm trying some new things. I am actually calling people who are interested in learning more about the work from home world. So I ordered 200 telephone interviewed leads. I got them so that I receive 10 each day for the next 20 days, and I picked up the phone today. I have a little system on my computer that I use. I dialed out 10 people. I sent the link to the LiveGood tour link, this page right here, all right, to a couple people that were interested out of the 10 leads. And I have a follow-up phone call that I got to do right when I'm done making this video. So we'll see how that goes. I'm super excited about it, though. And yeah, that's it. So to answer the gentleman's question, I have 19 personally enrolled people in LiveGood. I have a total team of 438, and this, like I said, this keeps going up every single day. And my main traffic sources right now are Facebook and YouTube. All right, I've been very adamant about making a YouTube video every single day, and I've been getting the majority of my traffic and signups from YouTube. All right, and then I post in Facebook groups and stuff like that, but those are the 2 biggest traffic sources that I'm using. The other traffic sources I'm using, they're nothing to even mention because I'm just not getting the results that I am with Facebook and YouTube. So I will do more videos in the future about how my calling goes. I'm totally stepping out of my comfort zone calling these people, but I'm interested to see how things will turn out. I know that if I continue doing it, just staying consistent, that I'm going to have good results with it. So I'll do videos about that in the future. But anyway, that's the answers to those questions. Just again, I'm showing this to be transparent so that maybe the smaller person or the underdog, as Ben Glinsky likes to root for, can see that anybody can have success with this company if they put in the time and the effort. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you find any value in it, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot, and I greatly appreciate it. I look forward to seeing you in my next video, and until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.